A private bus carrying engineering students from Tamil Nadu on a trip to Chikkamagaluru was stopped by Hindu organizations after it was found displaying pictures and writings glorifying underworld don and global terrorist Dawood Ibrahim, triggering tension in the area. According to reports, the bus displayed multiple images and slogans portraying Dawood Ibrahim as a hero. Activists from Hindu organizations noticed the bus and blocked it, expressing anger over the content displayed on the vehicle. Following this, police from Basavanahalli Police Station reached the spot and seized the bus, launching an investigation into the matter. The bus reportedly carried several provocative stickers and writings, including phrases such as "Live by a gun, die by a gun," "Crime Lord Chronicles," and "Dawood, the real Don." In addition, a painting on the rear of the bus displayed "The Gang of Mumbai" and "Bombay Underworld Dawood, real Don," which allegedly glorified the underworld figure. Upon noticing these visuals, activists stopped the bus near the NMC circle in Chikkamagaluru and informed the police. As news spread, members of the public also gathered at the spot and protested against the display. Police officials quickly intervened, controlled the situation, and took the bus to the police station. Officials from Basavanahalli Police Station confirmed that a motu case has been registered and an FIR has been filed. The driver and operator of the bus have been taken into custody and further investigation is underway. Police officials also stated that the seized bus will be produced before the court and further action will be taken against on court directions. The investigation is continuing.